Want to turn your brown thumb green? Meet your new leafy best friends, the snake plant, spider plant, and pothos. These plants are like the cheerleaders of the plant world. They are low maintenance, tough, and they will make your home feel alive. The snake plant? It is basically the superhero of houseplants. It can survive a nuclear apocalypse. Okay, maybe not that extreme, but close. It purifies your air while you sleep and looks badass doing it. Then there is the spider plant. This little guy brings the party. It produces baby plants like it is going out of style. It is perfect for people who want to share the plant love without breaking a sweat. Finally, the pothos. This one is a speedster. It grows faster than your pet can eat its food. It does not care if you forget to water it for a week. It will still be there, thriving and looking fabulous. So which plant are you adopting first? Or are you going for a whole jungle? Let me know in the comments. And hit that follow button for more plant care hacks. Your future selfie with your thriving plant collection depends on it.